Most traders are using Dexscreener without the right filters, and that's why they're missing out on massive gains. I turned 0.2 SOL into 34 SOL in just 1 week by using the best filters to spot hidden gems. Want to find the next 10 to 100 times memecoin before everyone else? Here's how to set up Dexscreener filters like a pro. First, head over to Dexscreener, the go-to platform for analyzing trends, tracking smart traders, and filtering out hidden gems. Start by selecting the Solana chain, or your preferred blockchain. Then, go to the Gainers tab to see which tokens have been trending over the past week. Pro tip, pay attention to the current narrative, it can change daily, so staying ahead is key. Now, let's dive into the filters that will help you spot high-potential tokens before they explode. Microcap filters, which are high-risk, high-reward liquidity, $10,000 or more, min FDV $100,000 or more, pair age 0 to 48 hours, 1-hour transactions, 50 or more mid-cap filters, offering more stability but still big gains. Liquidity, $100,000 or more, min FDV, $1 million or more, 24-hour volume, $1.5 million or more, 24-hour transactions, 150 or more old mid-caps filters for established plays, liquidity, $100,000 or more, min FDV, $200,000 to $100 million, 24-hour volume, $200,000 or more, 24-hour transactions, 2,000 or more, pair age, 720 to 2,800 hours, low-cap filters, which have a great risk-to-reward ratio, liquidity, $75,000 or more, min FDV, $500,000 or more, 24-hour volume, $1 million or more, 24-hour transactions, 50 or more old low-caps filters for strong but undervalued projects, liquidity, $100,000 or more, min FDV, $250,000 to $1 million, 24-hour volume, $250,000 or more, 24-hour transactions, 1,000 or more. Before jumping into any token, do a deep dive on its social presence. Here's how. Head to their X account and analyze engagement using Tweet Scout. Check their Telegram inactive groups equal a big red flag. Legit projects have engaged members. Never skip security verification. One mistake could cost you everything. Here's how to check. For Solana tokens, use it Txns. For EVM-based tokens, use it CoinScanDefy. Also, check it Bubble Maps to spot suspicious wallet connections. If devs are controlling multiple wallets, it's a rug waiting to happen. Once the security check is done, let's analyze the token deeper. Use GMGN to get a full breakdown of developer details, top holders' win rates, sniperbot activity, and the percentage of holders with blue-chip tokens. Pro tip, GMGN also lets you trade tokens directly on their platform. And that's it! If you set up Dexscreener filters the right way, you'll find the next 100 times gem before the rest of the market catches on. Drop a comment. Which filter are you using right now? Like and subscribe for more expert crypto insights. Don't forget to check out Coin Sniper link in the description. Let's go find those hidden gems.